Akroma mkofo ka che say ba omia ye tire nkwan no odenam wiem ene kufo de nam ensuase omo ye de deche fi kran e de abakuma ase na ye wasantefo ahemfo te asantememu ye wo mu nkokora ne mbrewa obiembie na no ma enkwara wetina pipi mu kasa de we wo Chairman Wontumi radio so continuously and they bu some say SkyTrain no way sika no way
na sika no way
ya gigi yen samu sika ma otufo sabe bu nkotodwe se opesika akosi komfo anoche yetena ho ma MPP gu otufo ni ma sete sa akoa bi hu se ohini bia wo wiase abegina abontene esresre sika odekoye hospital aban eye ne responsibility obu nkotodwe area gu no ho anim ase na yetena ho yankasa no ko Exim Bank na so okoji loan there is a purpose for that bank giving that kind of loan and it's okoji sa loan no na one for loan no and yet what it was intended for, then it means say motive not beji loan it was wrong. On that basis, you can be found guilty of you manipulating, deceiving the bank. Into the question, prosecutor will ask Chairman Wontumi in the courtroom was, why did you go for the loan? So all these things. General Jurisdiction 10 Republic versus Benedict Siakon, aka Chairman Wontumi and 2 others, Exim Bank loan case. Enti Thursday so Chairman Wontumi be court e wo Exim Bank sika okodi ya owia di ya wamfa anye adwuma ende ye busa na ho asem metese obi ka se an Chairman Wontumi Exim Bank sika na ogie no sika keke na ogie wenku nipa otweba. You see debi am catch MPP for any communicators and say mumududu no madwene wo form magimi there's a reason why your ADB bank wetima kwaji loan. There's a reason why you were a Absa Bank, Ubetimako loan. There's a reason why Ubetimako a Ghana Commercial Bank, Akoji loan. Sa banks when you now Ukoji loan wa Omunina terms and conditions. And there's a reason why our people in Kofoko Exim Bank Akoji loan. Now, so Oko Bank say Oko Exim Bank Akoji loan. The purpose is for what? Exim Bank for Omuma loan for DN. Now, say Oko Exim Bank. Now, Abra winning all the banks in Ghana. So over to me any bank, and I know Chairman Wontumi does not work with does not work with only Exim Bank. I think say, and I believe so. He works with other banks. Why do you think Chairman Wontumi went to Exim Bank? Oko Exim Bank no okoji sika no so the bad thing. Court, otna court near to 2-1. The motive in your head, crowd it will jail. Do you know that? And this is not just motive. Now. Motive no okoji eye loan na the motive was okoji loan no e dey acquired akoye fu Exim Bank omo ma loan se fa ko yemfa nkoto ship Exim Bank omo ma loan se yemfa nkoto kaadwi Exim Bank ma loan se yemfa nko bie asori Exim Bank ma loan for a reason. The purpose is there. It is oko Exim Bank na so okoji loan then it means say your mission and the intent, you know, because bank is one, there is a purpose for that bank giving that kind of loan. And it's all just a loan, no. Now, one for loan, no, and yet what it was intended for, then it means say motive not beji loan, it was wrong. On that basis, you can be found guilty of doing what? Of you manipulating, deceiving the bank. What am I saying? The idea crampo say wokoji bank idea na da utim no enye idea papa. Into the question every experience a year prosecutor will ask Chairman Wontumi in the courtroom was, why did you go for the loan? That would be my first question as a prosecutor. Say Chairman Wontumi to with the Exim Bank case and answer on the Exim Bank case. I'll ask you a simple question. Please say, do you know this bank? Okay, say yes. What's the name of the bank? So Exim Bank. Can you explain to me what that bank does? Me a prosecutor. That's how I'm going to start it. Oh, Mr. Bosiako, how many banks do you save? That's what I save at here. Have you taken loans from any of these banks? So yeah, in the past, I took loan from here. Okay. When you took the loan, what was the purpose of the loan? So I took the loan from bank A to go and put in my business. From bank B to go, okay. But do you know a bank called Exim Bank? Okay, say yes, I know Exim Bank. Have you done business with them before? Okay, say oh yes. Do you know why Exim Bank was established? Okay, say I don't know what he's talking about. So do you know why Exim Bank was established? his lawyer will come in and say, oh, objection, I don't think my client should know the history about everyone. So I'm sorry. So Mr. Botsiako, Exim Bank, have you done transaction or any kind of business with them? That's how I bait you. A good prosecutor will bait you into show to the point where then the prosecutor will finally ask you, why did you go to Exim Bank to take the loan? You can't just say I want to take loan. You have to give a reason, because one, you have already, or through your lawyer, explained to us what Exim Bank stands for, or their reason, or the reason why Exim Bank was put together. So I've built you from there. And these are things you can't avoid. Then he'll put the final question to you. Why did you choose Exim Bank? Into Omawati, I said, when you could enter one KVIP and loan or Exim Bank. So the motive is what the prosecutor will be establishing. That is what we call common sense. At this point, he has not applied any of his legal experience. He's just basically applying common sense and making the judge sitting there know so we are comfort. Jimmy, if a communicator sits on TV and tell me, say, Chairman, Wontumi kwaje Exim Bank loan, we nkuni pa so yakwasia. And I think you know, so Exim Bank loan. But there are things around Salon, no? Some maybe loan wa dangerous. It is say woman tem now nim say obi ye one ne ba. Obi a loan, obi a nim say no ho no. Adentina nkofo nkwaje one ne ba. Because okwaje one ne ba e papa we wa nim say one. So when you 10 Ghana every month be abeko 40 Ghana, are you prepared to pay the 40 Ghana? 2. Udim say you one ne ba na man we ohia ne sika obetum the tax abetataw. So you look at nyoma e wo ho no ansa no take that decision no. Then na ma decide to obeko Exim Bank go register. You people are so stupid. Me go law school. My in-laws no more law firm. Once in a while I go support them at their law firm. If I wanted to do paralegal or wanted to be a paralegal, I had paralegal. But most of you MPP for Jimmy, you are not smart. Anything I'm moving to me tonight, a TV so can say, Kevin Taylor did he attempt to me? Did he attempt? Wait, Jimmy, you go to jail. Kevin Taylor did he attempt? Intiasa did he attempt? I'm saying, wait, Jimmy, you go to jail. Say, Obijina baby, bien and look at Kevin Taylor did he attempt to me? Did he attempt? Now when you nipa, wait, Jimmy, you are going to go to jail. They are going to bait you. You go to jail, obey ex-convict. Because the Kevin Taylor can send me. Now the Kevin Taylor, it does not mean or automatically it does not mean that you will not go to jail. You will go to jail. Because Kevin Taylor small kind, time I can Japan the member court to America. So nanka mi ni adia mi jina so aka Kennedy open 9 million kan nsa kan. Into abusa ho. The American na me the Kevin Taylor ye ni bia no. Me wo dia me de bomb me ho ban. You don't. So you don't do what Kevin Taylor did. Actually, wait, Jimmy. And you people are so weak-minded. MPP for that is why I'm asking. More communication. Where are you headed? More kwahi. The party no bawo mi now. Mama Chawa there. Now, Mama Yanko straight. Now you taking care of a year. Sa assembly. SkyTrain case a court. SkyTrain trial. $2 million loss was caused by COVID-19. Defense lawyers argue. SkyTrain now MPP for about power. I'm catching Ghana for you. I'm be train deche Mr. S pull me deche. Mo de di botia. Mo Jimmy Sentampe. Enya Tampe phone bi o. Papa ni bi o. Tampe phone na mo Jimmy Sentampe phone bi. The Tampia CB na a champion film. MPP for Jimmy sent Tampe phone bi. Nan Tampe papa no. And the Wontumi from Jimmy Nko. Adeku Francis. And the MPP for Kopie quarter. And the Koka a year SkyTrain won sensem. Every a year MPP penifo no omo lawyer na no a ose SkyTrain na ye ka se be ya ma Ghana fo a ye bo hu de wuru de ho Ghana ye kwaje hu $2 million di ye no COVID-19 ti na ye ntumi anya we mu no mu nya nipa and the MP for Kopie quarter na ye buso mo se SkyTrain no adenti na mo ntumi anya SkyTrain na ma nipa manya ma Ghana fo a mu di $2 million kwa Yeni baby sikana fa. MPP for catch say, oh, SkyTrain now went to my no problem ni na say. COVID-19 by and I went to my SkyTrain. COVID-19. Today they are in court blaming COVID-19 on SkyTrain. Mr. One day, Motiano Makacho also, oh, Baomian Huniho, the COVID-19 time of COVID-19 see no, Baomian low sperm count no, into Baomian to me will be Mr. Motia, Sanko for be catch them. Oh, Debbie Akacham said, Debbie Ametram say MPP for Omunimunyansa, the people leading them, and they are not ready to listen, to admit to say, Omunimunyansa, Messiah, get me deche. MPP for Sman Kwasiafo Betina TV so etra santimemu oman trankan yo de bia meka kire mo say MPP for person mu jimi a almost atina santimemu. Besides, I have it say MPP for person mu jimi pa omo person mo starting no mu jimi o Ghana so we steady MPP ya almost starting nyina wa santimemu otumfo o say tutu asase so e ho na jimi ni fifi ya tena kroma am kofo ka che say ba omia ye tire nkwan no odinam wiem ene kufo de nam ensuase omo ye de deche de fi kran e de abakuma ase na ye wasantefo ahemfo te asantememu ya wo mu nkokora ne mbrewa obiembie na no ma enkwara we tena MPP mu kasa de we wo chairman Wontumi radio so continuously and they will some say SkyTrain no way sika no way so COVID-19 ji sika ne die anything no Wontumi anye SkyTrain no deche.
Uni sana na da kwa kufa da Roma. Ye building train et na fansuo so. Serious. Ye building train na fansuo so. Tie be fansuo so deche. Omo mo Europe, UK ni Holland ni ade do muni. Train fansuo ni ade enche kra. Sana na do de fansuo so no. Ba mi aso do ba fansuo na se. Ni e kwa no. Eurostar, yes. Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no can see ataka no mo wi. Uni sana na da kwa kufa da Roma. Ye building train et na fansuo so. Serious. Ye building train na fansuo so. Tie be fansuo so deche. Omo mo Europe, UK ni Holland ni ade do muni. Train fansuo ni ade enche kra. Sana na do de fansuo so no. Ba mi aso do ba fansuo na se. Ni e kwa no. Eurostar, yes. Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no can see ataka no mo wi.
Akwa we on the chairman Wontumi o. We cause so much no dem mark mokuya we. This is the kind of message e January santimemu. No muti Wontumi radio so na Wontumi tene nchen. Na obi wa MPP mu asantimemu di me matam. Wasiafo we na muti omo. O wa MPP mu from asantini be di me komatam. We na go see the man mokuya no mo we. You see where we are. Say MPP ni person mu jimi a almost starting asantimemu. O kan na mu buefu. Ade yente ase we di panyina atam. Say MPP person mu jimi a no mo te o mo to bini dia. Asantimemu no mo start no because ye nuanam asantifo de bi so nkwase asam so. How can you sit in Ashanti region with the 2 million manipa or catch us or yet the free kind the abakumase? It is at to Obama 2020. Na yet wo ebo yensem. Sansem when you Santima cancel to you. Yeah. O 2472 in penifo mo santimemu you be at here. They didn't say anything because you see, it's sometimes I feel say I na santifo penifo ni bi eyo mo de say e dada santifo. Because I get them rat wo. Because don't you go Spain ko yesa dey way, don't you go Morocco ko yesa dey way. Ya dem rat wo say hey, enya politics intina be bu santifo nim tia. Abedi atro. Wa be yesa dey na ye be so mu no. But in penifo ni je ho ade a enya kura nti say payday. They try a fruma into be Jimmy Cry so that is what is happening. It is what study the NPP as a political party. So mo be Jimmy pa almost starting santimemu. You check their history. Check. Nancy as Koko walk off for the whole world that NDC nkwa ban etumi tua Koko e kapapa ama ene Koko kuafo ewusa ampa aban papa ban nyansafo de enim no. Omo ko start ye Koko campaign almost starting santimemu. The NPP no sebi omo wan santifo no bi dodo no mo de omo chi so omo agimi me ka omo se me di atam me di watamo me show the reality how they see you abrantie we na nkoso de ma Koko na Koko we na nkama Koko petua anu maguso kwase panyiwe
uni sana na da kwa kufa da Roma ye building train et na fansuo so Serious. Yeah, very trade na so. Tibe fence so deshe. Omo mo Europe, UK ni Holland ya de omuni. Trade fence ni ade enche kra. Bizana na do de fence so no. But me also do buy fence so na se. Be e kwa. Eurostar, yes. Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no kaze si akaka no mo wi. Uni bizana na da kwa kufa da Roma. Ye building train et na fence so. Serious. Yeah, very trade na fence so. Tibe fence so deshe. Omo mo Europe, UK ni Holland ya de omuni. Trade fence so ni ade enche kra. Bizana na do de fence so no. But me also do buy fence so na se. Be e kwa. Eurostar, yes. Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no kaze si akaka no mo wi. Uni bizana na da kwa kufa da Roma. Ye building train et na fence so. Serious. Yeah, very trade na fence so. Tibe fence so deshe. Omo mo Europe, UK ni Holland ya de omuni. Trade fence so ni ade enche kra. Bizana na do de fence so no. But me also do buy fence so na se. Be e kwa. Eurostar, yes. Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no kaze si akaka no mo wi.
Like, you see, the boldness in the stupidity. And the menoka some that Wontumi okumase. Emma, yada ho asantifo bi tie Wontumi. Listen, mo asantifo bi amudi MPP echi mo agimi. Me ndi matemo, ni biewani. And that is the painful part. Me kana mo mudodo na ya mo ya. Instead of somebody accept said the year can no but so we do two for them. No. Me di wa wagimi na watem wo na me kire so wagimi. Na MPP for ehum mu bi se mo agimi. Omo dada mo. Omo na ho ti radio we so and omo ye den. Omo ka kire say chairman Wontumi ko jail la Ibrahim Mohammed ko jail na me fa me ho. Me, do I care? I don't care who goes to jail next. As far as the laws of this country is working, I don't care. Some mo pa mo Ghana munchi obi agum mo yara mo free power obi bechi mo gum e normal e disa sem keka no he akwa wait na TV so ka kire mo asantime mu se omo ye train deshe osaka to so se ye wie the same time Peter Mewu obetena TV so ka kire mo se dabi enya de be ye SkyTrain bia Peter Mewu still asantifo no MP for say dabi yenjindi.
But as a minister currently you can say on authority that there's no such agreement to have.
No, it's not possible to be done now. I don't see a SkyTrain being done in the next 3-4 years. I mean,
so at least for the end of the Akufo-Addo administration, we are not going to have a SkyTrain.
There's not going to be any SkyTrain, please. Not possible.
But as a minister currently, you can say on authority that there's no such agreement to have.
No, it's not possible to be done now. I don't see a SkyTrain being done in the next 3-4 years. I mean,
so at least for the end of the Akufo-Addo administration, we are not going to have a SkyTrain.
There's not going to be any SkyTrain, please. Not possible.
Wow. I'm a minister, railways, highway, or say, yeah, SkyTrain be abwa. Still there to Ghana. In terms of when you're refi. These are the people we are dealing with. I'm a minister, railway minister. Because you can say, hey, and you're the train be a discount. Or can plain language, bro? So there's never going to be a SkyTrain in 4 years. Nobody on earth can build a SkyTrain in 4 years. It is never going to be possible. And so there, MPP ni or TV so defend it. And a SkyTrain no, yeah, me say na mo Jimmy ana. Ayu yan fa mo man kokko wi ana. This is basic. Deshe 2 million and I'm there COVID-19. Me say me ke bibia anke mankofo a chance. Me say one day omo beka che say Akufo-Addo COVID na wo no. Anything or any nyoma by heart sa me say one day omo beka che say Baomia enya COVID intina Baomia kasa or kasa by heart sa no. Me say yetia one day MP for beka che say oh Baomia enya COVID and intina or nyoma bia mama yamfa is serious. It will happen one day. One day yeti kroma na MP before a press conference catch say oh dia Baomia yene de yamfa no cool yamfa no form if say Baomia no COVID by no e kan no into unrecover ye. This is the original video.
Esi ameno kasai o say na da Akufo-Addo Roma ye build train e na fansuo so Seriously. Yeah, very trade nothing so the among Europe, UK, Holland, I don't win trade first soon and check cry. Is that another difference? But we also about first soon. I say, the
Eurostar.
Eurostar, yes, yeah,
from London to France.
Me no can see I can't know yes, companies who are yes, plane, you know, I train no. If you South Africa, and check out from Kumasi to Accra, you use 1 hour 30 minutes. You can bit much Kumasi, I Juma Accra. That is the plan. I asked a contract, you know, Masha say manufacture trains near the Baby Sono. Next year, Kumasi the NFL Craban, Esoba.
No comment. Now be for the money. Thanks for.
Is he a Monocasi? Who is another Kaku father at Aroma? Ye birthday train and nothing so. Seriously. Yeah, very trade nothing so the among Europe, UK, Holland, I don't win trade first soon and check cry. Is that another difference? But we also about first soon. I say, the
Eurostar.
Eurostar, yes, yeah,
from London to France.
Me no can see I can't know yes, companies who are yes, plane, you know, I train no. If you South Africa, and check out from Kumasi to Accra, you use 1 hour 30 minutes. You can bit much Kumasi, I Juma Accra. That is the plan. I asked a contract, you know, Masha say manufacture trains near the Baby Sono. Next year, Kumasi the NFL Craban, Esoba.
Oh, sometimes we sound say, me no can say I'm not to Kumasi to Wontumi. Or can Wontumi radio? Yeah, the whole thing called for to Kumasi Efran Tuma. A defending Wontumi radio. Sometimes we sound say, now Yakoya na ya buy. These are things they said when they were in power. Shall I change in a way? Shall no auditro or cantro? And people will give me in the name of Jesus. Me won't party and the base Jimmy say that. First, now also I say me have home because it looks like you are dealing with idiots. Like you don't even need to push your weight. This is the NPP and men all kasa and they omoda huti Wontumi manipa tie o Kumasi. I say, hey, where dear omon pay asem say now what you be in a gum. The NPP for who say any asantifoni be a Jimmy. Na hwehwe Wontumi nipa na obi a radio na nkasa say Jimmy. Tama na akwara we kika sansem no na Wontumi Jimmy ne to wo Eurostar den ya da huti krom ha. Yanko yeni me. Me de me somafo. Mo Jimmy na me kanam da ho betine mu a. Me se one day atia na mo be ka kire se ba omia mai ba omia. De o ka kan nyina COVID effect no after COVID post COVID. O mo be ka kire se ba omia recover fully. Yete ha o me ka. What's your someone kwa? Then you want to change people like this. Sanko for the Wontumi se so mo. O ma dani mokuya no muguso Jimmy na mokualization. Sanko no go Wontumi no. O ma dani I could be a friend more example. So I catch him or mental problem. And I'm abudenti no. Or mental problem. Once the last me there no, me see the doctor who treated this guy actually called me and said this guy has mental problem. Me ma Ghana for here. Now what Ghana now we need ability more example. And yes, I question doctor say abai so work with Togo. These are not they are not stable. More example on your okay. Some better na for example I can't say me na my serious na the document chese oboa meko and more example say more example better na chema Wontumi radio so Wontumi na me ba be ka say o do kan nya no kure be the document but more example ka say ya for documents in chirem or a mental patient. He's on record. I even wonder why people now more example me say o ka say actually deep or problem psychologically unstable. On you okay? Now, me also me I don't come say Mami very explaining more example I can't say me. No, they be a me directing to his madness. You can see it. They be a me catch him. Jimmy go Wontumi FM. You're stupid people. Now, Mami sure they call. Mama have a cry, a human eye for. Now, you rat in Sensemnum. Appear could be. But I wouldn't say, they only your titi Jimmy Brennim. What you said, I want Titi Jimmy Brennim, Titi Champion Fucosa. But the move from Jimmy now. Now, when you're the MPP for. What you said, I want Jimmy Brennim. You're calling a champion Fiona, a Bessani, and I can't say who. But I'm from Jimmy in town, yet Jimmy's Mubona Massy in Assi, Munsi and Yansa Mubi. And I would go MPP ni person Jimmy Bia or Pebebia and the pe Asantimum or Benny, Namugu San Crane. Mumbusa questions, Mumbusa MPP for now then, Mobaka, Yetikruma MPP came so, Oma Bay Kumasi Airport, International Airport. Yetikruma. Paula de Mochi, because I'm paying Jantre ni tutuni. Paula de Mochi when you cancer who sing, or Becatcher 2 or Tamo 2 or Dada 2 for my point, or Chimo him for a citizen Quara, Ekugu Kumasi International Airport. I am more Casa Monka Winka. Mokasa can tell you 2 for Tanama can we account. MP for the show 2 for city Saquara Kujina, Kumasi International Airport. Ekacher is Oma Dani Kumasi International Airport into an international airport. Plane be obvious be abesiwo and international plane be nesiwo mama MP for whom say mumu bi mu agimi ye tumu for adamo dwa ye kasa and na kevre di penya me ndi obi atamo me kire wo say MPP ni bu so wagimi. Don't be angry, don't be pissed off, just sit back nya abote na hwehwem na busa wo say aye no kura na enya no kura da be na mo busa mo dodo mo busa mo say Kevin asem okay mo me busa ho aye no kura na da be na international airline be si Kumasi say funny park or Germany. In China, mo come as my monka when you monka Kevin can see, and Ukraine and Ukraine, Buankra inland port. And the Mitumi Santinibo, the MPPH, ne se brown case, and this is from by Buankra Quasia. Yes, say this year and Qua, Aquajane. What do Jimmy to us me MPP stronghold 8 years MPP at the O2 for Buankra 3 times. A good and pop one chacha, you go for through the Wagro. Muchi Soroku Kujina Buankra 3 times. Yen to for blog back one to Odo Quasia be matam. A dear Nimtian a chance idea way. And tell Mumubi as Antifodi Bina with the MPP Mwe Jimmy. MPP Frank Kano Benegu Kumase, Namugu. Reason up a little bit. Meantime, I am pricking your conscience. I am letting you know the reality. Miminim Sabeto, Kameto Sabia, Kaebian Kamewu, Minim Sabeto, I will let you know the facts. This is where you people are. Partner Jimmy Fono, Ehumwas Antifodi be somewhere Jimmy, and I'm never going to stop saying it because weighing in the message, you know. Matthias here, Memento Sabi, Esmebu Be. You see, this young Kwa, Aquajane. Now, partner would say, would you try from an Abatina Bemu 16 years, Kofo, all the way to Kufuado, partner to Anya Buankra. Now, Aquane Meyamau. Are you okay? Are you in your right senses? Et say Sewia Afari Eguho. Yakotwaba, ye be 2 NDC. Now ye chisoro kwa bunipa atata nipa 10 times. 2016 aji to me, January 7, 2017, wakuta to me to 2024. O party free power, who this year catch him say aqua, memramaya hospital, oya boa. Why do you know anything? Who are you supposed to blame? Over Pam Bobra, one or blame no. And you foolishly sit. Now you need to be TV so say and NDC. Are you foolish? It did be an MPP who say Jimmy. We are why you know form. And that is the reality. Mema ubufu. Who drive me and because me for first class or 2 for first class. Met for private jet or 2 for fubi. Who to me for economy cry. Who now we are here in a pesi aboa. Do you understand? Maintain your level adole and let us show you say MPP for Jimmy, they don't respect you people. Some of you people. And these are facts. And the Ubufua, I just say I don't fucking care about how you feel. But some kind of that is why I want to do that the BR. I had dying and yet to Ghana. That's not Ghana to 8 years. Ye caught na ye ba abaye DH ni ye tax. Ya jeje yen samu sika ma otu fo sabe bunko to dwe se o pesika akosi komfo anoche yen tumi atu ye ho ansi kuroma nka se yen tiase na eto na abanje no de kwahi ye tena ho ma MPP go otu fo ni ma sete sa akoa bi hu se ohini bia wo wiase a abegina abontene esresre sika all because say or the koye hospital are buying a responsibility or hinimua or bunko to do area we are going to masi ferry ye bu ebe eto ferry so na yatena ho yankasa na Akufo-Addo etam akonwa free enkran or the betena radio so asantimemu eka kire kwabre for se nkwasiafo monto mame a because of bokwanti momfa mo jimi nko okasama ne twi menhia ye nya bema tedua da ne nantem ehwo abo de to se kokuo entuma nsini bo anka se da bida ye sa kwaji gele emo t-shirt ebejimi ye ho mieko ena wo de wani breba me so wo bodam. These are facts. Mean to sebi. And I'm not ready to say sebi. And I'm make sure clearly no credit na mede pem swama ono. And it's from o pem swa part 2. O 2 for no am wo. Be mani fie me. Weja. Enti make sure de no so buofu. Make to make sure countless things. Eduro bejiwa atrema. Eduro ebejiwa atrema. J.A. Kufobedi president. Saya drone and Kabejima Kajimu free 2000. Ya papa Kufoba a year bia okobi wa santimemu. Of Chino ho, a bini dino see and a chichie we buy ya to hunyum, echa hunyum, esaid bohua kutia. 8 years, yet twin for and sense yadia bakoso. Now what this year went to man kwanju crew. Acquired question paying emeju crew ma. Why do you fear? Are you intelligent enough to sit on the table of men to make decisions? I'm asking you people simple questions. And if you people think, say, yes, we can say, Tia, when Tia Beja, Keja, Kebeja, Nadao, ye ready. Inti Mebuna no Mobano. Sank to one Mobana, Mojin, say more authority, almost so better, Damo, Echuchantron. Yani, we are controlling their minds with the facts and the truth. When they are ready to ask questions, we will give them reasonable answers. In this Jimmy Samana, you align party with Eddie, Akonya, you align party with a year, you align party with every foolish thing. No, we are going to stop it, and that is the revolution. The revolution of the new Ghana is to get the young African Ghanaian, the young Ashanti to understand that party does not run, that chieftaincy does not run government. No, we will separate chieftaincy from governance, from politics. For the young Ashanti boy, Ashanti girl, and the two for the Marco school abrochire, adentra, woman university papebia and co school womu asantimemu. Mina bedi matem. Now Jane Sanka University Papa was Santimem and two for Mancomungu Asantimemu University. And no na ye pemso, and then a ye pre, and then to the me din como, dear a ye Emma or two for Mano, a yama kwame kwachesuba. And some of you people take these things personal. You get angry, all because we are questioning your level of intelligence. Ye busama adwene senya adwene ekwechire se mudo ana emundo. Because politician obeba obeko ne babenye sika ono so benye sika obetu kwa hwe ne ho yare na wo kwa me kwa chie. Hwe sewia any afare how long these hospitals have sat. We could have operationalized it. Uni nipa dodo omewu. If Sewia and Afari were operational in the last 8 years, and Kamu bebremu nananom, Momma, Moyere no mom kwaji a wowu ya, ebi mu BP ni has accident to come and kiaji omunkwa. Ye Jimmy, where are our senses? And we stupidly think, say, tia will be, my child is not going to come to Komfo-Anokye Hospital. I'm telling you. So when I do this, I'm doing this for you, to save you. Na mumu bi mwa Jimmy Dodo. Politics no, ye de adokuru mu moja. And my son, Kevin Taylor no, and I went no. Who now be woo? I am good. Mumu bi Jimmy o. And a JJ regime, and a JJ, and a PNDC in a way. JJ Rollins nanka sanka so wen. Omo na JJ Rollins no mo so jem. Why na wonimu no? Mumu bi ye Jimmy. Enti MPP ni opportunity na. Unim PNDC, unim JJ Rollins. JJ musu wawu. PNDC so egu. Obi eni wo NDC sisia oni JJ Rollins tena dem e plan the PNDC den dia wo amimu. Obi enim. Ejesi ho na ne ko. Now, mumu ye ndwom. Obia, oya me papa bone. Time papa see so. Onya me problem. I can tell you on authority. Obi onim papa ana me ma nya problem. Time I see so. Ya ka kire me sa nipa no onfa me ho. Obi a onim papa ebusu nya problem. Onim ma me ebusu nya problem. Me beto so me akwa bitie enye me kokko sa ntokwa ne ma me papa ne me ma me. It is not my problem. Eya me papa ne me ma me problem. Omo no munya sa encounter no. Me ka say kura sa nipa onim papa nya problem. 30, 40, 50 years ago sa nipa do kura wowu. Ne ba onya me problem. Ne yire enya me problem. My life now is about how I can protect what is now and ahead. Finito. But yet dear sani team tetena na weni na and then so me hu nipa baako sana JA Kufuor eba power before the 17 year JA Kufuor ba power. The first thing he wanted to do was to destroy JJ Rawlings, get rid of him using the constitution, the same constitution a protected Kufuor man be the president, you know. He wanted to use the constitution to destroy JJ Rawlings. Technically, now compare JJ Rawlings echo firing squad new kune to training. That is JA Kufuor. That was his intention. JA Kufuor oba power. Sa adwene na ne dadi team fitin kwala brem. Sa adwene bone, adwene fin, adwene tantan. Ye de ye nipa bi sei. And na we mu de omo tan ye sei. Sa adwene na odi be di president no. Now the mission was to come and destroy Rawlings, kill him, using the constitution. Oba and Obi a friend, the Constitutional Reconciliation Committee. And was set a man for or friend and call was a montina ho. Na afei ya tete ya keka. Say JJ Rawlings bo tuo, JJ Rawlings ba santimemu, JJ Rawlings twa obi to ase, JJ Rawlings twa obi ti. Say see ya be a friend Reconciliation Committee. And I could force that setting committee. And on Moko Santimoko as a Monkon can come asem. Yet not TV so. Yet Kasa yet now share. JJ Rawlings Betnako Nyum Reconciliation Committee. Go and read about it. JJ Rawlings sat in a chair for hours. Obi any Ghana to me because Rawlings na me jina hono bomba petu. Edian kwasi asem no. Edian politics tantan any Jimmy Semono no any editi kurum ha. Nobody was bold. And so when you had one call for when people and the Rawlings Kufuor gave you the opportunity because you had the 2 15 in Kwa Bremno and in an person be accomplished. He wanted to come and make sure that JJ Rawlings na or young a time no young for the same constitution in Kuno. And so none of you hypocrites, none of you liars, nobody was bold enough, nobody was smart enough to factually sit on TV with evidence that Rawlings did in the Saka Obi or Ghana. Munya beifo. Jam ka say Rawlings Kufuor bra or breno. Adwene bone nti man he breno. Wega. Reconciliation Commission, a commission that has, thank you very much for the correction, a commission that has the same power as a high court. It is our commission, no? The Kufuor they say Ote commission. And remember, commission Wontumi to say high court. 18 sankobi be gina ka say oh na metia santase na me gina na Rawlings bae and or twi tuo no bomb papa tributu anka sa commission no Wontumi to say high court. They could have made sure say court ni Rawlings be di jail no enti ka sa commission ka say ni para small kan no ma hwehwe no kra enti enko ku Rawlings and enko hange na anke the Rawlings kwa hange no. The same commissioner MP vocal boat to Ayawa so West Wagon. Our commissioner can say Brady Champon, Yanchin go to Fiasi or your Cronfort. Any Omomukodi Bonea, Ekufuor to say, Sir Commissioner Mabodamo Tokrat to train. The same commissioner J. Ekufuor Biye. What you see, Jimmy? You are diabolic people, Nipa Bonnefo, Asifo, Monkano Cre, selfish ingrates. Yeah, MPP for Yan say Dia. Yeah, Ghana. We need to get over all this old nonsense. Atrodie. The B.O.B. course was see a finding way near say no. And then I'm waiting for all these years. All these years, my years sad dear when you never seen there. A dear pa na when you're free mo. Dear Namunya, what are you? And still, the political party, a Shisha Masamamoya Sadiano, or Musamuya Jimmy for because the NPP for a very long time from 1992, they have treated Asante Forte says Sebio Mumubi Samuya dying. How can you tell me in 2026 hospital you see a 13 years. MPP about power twice. Sa hospital no MPP to me can say my yasha asante ni munyam asantini ba akoma ko wanyam akọ wafa ne ho afa ne ba. Ye ni ankasa kura ye kagetia na ye nananom ye di eduro e de kyekere no eye NDC for entafo ne awonafo de besi ye ade ye mfere ade. Are we not shy ye mfere? Se nipa bu ye se ejimi a ye hu. Enti etena se ye nwene. Ye mbusa ye ho nsam. Yem dada ya adwene nkwachire musa ho say adentina nipa we efa ye say ejimifo. And today you see a young man, an older man in Kumasi on social media saying say na sewia no afare no ade na NDC nya wo because ye chiwtwa oti wejimi tetena ena nketwa nipa tidi sie ahemfo na because ye chiwtwa oti di kosi ahene bi because nyansa nim wejimi. You don't even know who you are. You don't know what you represent. Partner the principle don't tiasie. And these are the basics. And this is what I talk to you people about every fucking blessed day.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. Estimated. You know it, I know it.